In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq to manage PDFs and book highlights. If you're building a reading workflow, Logseq can be a powerful hub for organizing your sources and turning what you read into actionable notes. I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to bring your PDFs into your graph so your highlights and insights live right next to your daily notes. First, open Logseq. You can use the desktop app or your preferred setup, but the key is to make sure you're in the graph where you keep your notes. Think of a graph as the workspace that contains your pages, assets, and links. Keeping everything in one graph ensures your files, references, and backlinks all stay connected. Next, head to Journals. The Journals page is your daily landing pad, and it's perfect for capturing reading sessions. By adding your PDF from here, you create a natural timestamp for when you started, along with any reflections you jot down. If you like, add a short line about what you're reading and what you hope to learn. That small bit of context makes your notes far more searchable later. With your journal open, press the / to open the command palette, then scroll to find Upload an Asset. If you have a lot of commands, start typing Upload to filter quickly. This action is designed for bringing files into your graph so they're stored in the Assets folder and can be referenced from any page. It's a great way to keep your sources portable. When you back up or move your graph, your files come with it. Choose your PDF, then click Open. Logseq will upload the file and automatically insert a link to it in your current block. You'll see the file name as a clickable link, and in most setups, you can open it right inside Logseq's viewer. From there, you can read, and depending on your configuration, capture highlights and notes that show up as blocks tied to specific sections. A quick tip: give your PDF a clear descriptive file name before uploading, like author, title, year, so the link is easy to recognize and sort. After the upload, consider adding a brief summary or a few key takeaways directly beneath the link. This keeps your raw source one click away and your distilled insights front and center. If the file is large, give Logseq a moment to process. And if a link ever looks broken, confirm that the file resides in your graph's assets folder and that you're viewing the correct graph. That's it. Simple, consistent, and ready for real work with your PDFs and book highlights.